Hi guys, this is not my washing, but we're just gonna wait for 42 minutes. We're just gonna check on our drying as well, like we did in hopefully this big machine. Well, this is what it smells like. Easier than the Epso, the old one, which broke unfortunately. So sometimes if I did this with my old machine, do that when it's shut, doing that, it'll eventually do it. So you know, let's go crack on. Just need to get a bit better so it's a bit clear. Just in case you don't know what it looks like in this, the other LG, just looks like that. And there's me spinning it. Whew. Hello, this is what I look like, and hello, this is what Kathy looks like. Just we'll get onto the dryer, which is mainly ours. This is what the dryer looks like. Just going to shut down the dryer. I guess when it looks like inside that goes to them. That's what it looks like in the exactly the same. So next video I'll make is a hot wash inside this machine and a blanket duvet in that one. Hopefully that will transfer into warm water. If I just use okay. So, what should I do? I think we just wait for a minute. So we'll just keep on recording our main dryer here. Little dryer, woman's dryer. Already in. So just take a little spin up here. We should be able to see. Wait, when you did it, just fold up it to here, and then because the water is pushing the clothes down. Now build up to about here. Ouch! Sorry about that, guys. What are you doing? So now if we keep just shut. Is it starting? No. Oh. Right there, you can see them there can't you? So I think that'll eventually rise up. Machine uses air to keep the water holding. When it's going to do a spin, there's no air in the machine. So if you just look at the cycles here, we have £6. The cycles we have are hot wash, warm wash, warm synthetics, fast warm wash, cold wash, and fast hot wash. We used to use that one, but now we use that one now. The one that we use today is that one. And so it only has 3 rinses and 1 spin. The one synthetics has 4 rinses. None of them just have 1, 2, 3. What would be really cool is if they had that on a hot wash, which was this one, all of these light up, and on the fast hot wash should be only that one and only that spin. There is one with £400 and it does have that sort of cycle, but doesn't that drum look gorgeous? Video so far? Oh, it says it's rinsing. Oh, it's nearly going to go on a spin. With 35 minutes to go. Now it's going to go onto a spin. Going to go onto a spin here. Hang on. Yeah, it is definitely going on it. Well, it will eventually. That's what that one looks like. You can get a washing machine that looks like that as well. So sorry, you can get that, thank you. So I just put it in here. It won't even fill up to me. Only just about, but look at it spitting. See, it won't just go on. So I do not want. I'll just come back to you in a sec. See? So I'll just get onto the spin now, and then this one. I'll just look at that, our main one. Yeah. Or have we just already missed that? This has been on for 9 minutes, you only just realised. I just sit and what? Do it? No, cannot do that. It says rinse here, but it's really on spin. Mr. Man. So I really should put this on you. Shut up, fucking messages.